Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we did oil, so it was basically just solving this yellow part. So this is solved now. So now we're gonna move on to PLL. So PLL is gonna complete everything. So in the end we'll have a solve the cube. So let's start this. Let's talk about the first scenario I'm having here. So in the first scenario I'm not having anything solved. So none of the sides are solved. So for this I'm going to do algorithm, so take any side, pick any side, it's your wish. So now I'm going to do this, so it's going to go like F, R, U prime, R prime, and U prime again, and you go R, U, R prime, and F prime. So this is going to complete one half, then you're going to do another half. So R, U, R prime, U prime. So you go move it back, and you from this side you take F. So you do this F and move this back. So this will just like it'll help it, and it's gonna move it in place. So there'll be nothing like missed or like it won't move away. So now after doing that, just move this back up. So that's gonna solve everything on the top here. So you can see this is solved, this is solved, this is solved. So everything is solved. So I'm going to move on to the next scenario. So the next scenario we'll have this. So there'll be two like one of the solved. So there'll be two pieces, or they'll be fully solved. So I don't have rest, or I only have one. So if you have one of them like this, keep it on the left and do this algorithm. It goes like R, U, R prime, U prime, then R prime, F, R, F prime. So that's one half completed. So everything is back to its position, but it's not solved at the top. So we're gonna solve that. So it goes like F, R, U prime, R prime, and U prime again, and R, U, R prime, and F prime. So that's gonna solve. Oh, okay, here I got everything solved. So that's gonna maybe put you in the next scenario. So let's move on to the next scenario. So now for the third scenario. So after that two scenarios, you're gonna be solved with this. So there'll be edges solved, these edges will be solved, and maybe one more will be solved in the back. So keep that in the back and just take this. So here in this scenario you have these three not solved. So we'll check which will go here. So here's the blue. So if the blue is the other blue pieces here, so you have to go here, and there may be like it will be blue here, and the blue will be this side. So there are like two edge cycles. So this is called edge cycles. So here I have to move this blue to the other side. So it's like right to left. So if you're having that scenario, do this. So it goes like R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, and R2. So after that, this will be solved. You can see everything is solved. So I'm going to show you another edge cycle. So in the fourth scenario, so here will be the another edge cycle. So here I have to move this to the other side, so left to right. So if you're having that case, and then do this algorithm, so it's pretty easy. Just look, so left to right. So do this algorithm. So it goes like, so I'm doing the faster version. You could do from the left side, but I'm going to show you a little bit more faster because right hand, most of the people are right hand, so this will be a little more easier. So it goes like R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, then R prime. So simple as that. Like, I know I did a little bit fast, but still you can understand that. I'm gonna write algorithm on the top so you could just see it and do it. So that solves this. So that's gonna be done. So last scenario, this is the easiest. So I'm gonna just do it now. So now we are at the last scenario. So in the scenario, there'll be nothing solved in the middle. So you can see it'll be like swapping these two pieces and these two pieces. So for doing this, just do this. So in here you'll see the M2 move. That means just moving this middle part. So middle part moving the middle part 2 times. So you can do it from the finger from the bottom. So you can do it like that. So let's start the algorithm. So it goes like M2 U or U prime as you wish. So I'm gonna do U, M2 U2, M2 U, then M2. So that solves the cube. So we are done cube. So if you guys like the 3 parts, hit subscribe, leave a like down below, and see you guys in the next video.